Whoa! Hang on! Ray Cox turns it loose. That car goes to the bumper, starts going to the right on one wheel, hits the wall. Oh my goodness. In qualifying. Here he goes. Turns it loose. That looks good. I'll buy that. 3.708, 196.16. Billy Banneker goes A to B. Oh my! Craig Sullivan's car makes a move, 371.4, 203 miles an hour, but Ty Tutterow reaches out the side window of the 1957 Buick and slaps the cherry on the bottom of the Christmas tree by a 10th and 700ths. Joe's car is on a mission, but 003 red and David Fallon Jr., what'd I tell you?
Who you got? You got David or you got Kyle? Kyle tries to get dirty, turns off the top bulbs. Oh my goodness. David Fallon with another 427, 168 miles an hour. That is the second consecutive pass he has made in the 4.2 second range. Ty Tutterow, 3.680, 202.70. He will take the Nitto Tire Diamond Tree Ring.
They're in the beams. It's decided right now. Craig Sullivan jumps. It's Billy Banneker. 372, 202 miles an hour. Billy Banneker is your VP Racing Extreme Pro Mod winner. What an upset. Craig Sullivan jumps the gun by 2.5 tenths of a second too early.